Hi friends, today we will learn full forms in chemistry terms. Abbreviation compound name. BU compound name is N-butyl. SBU sec-butyl secondary butyl. TBU tertiary butyl. BZ benzoyl. CAMP compound name is 3,5-cyclic adenosine monophosphate. CAN ceric ammonium nitrate. CBZ benzoyl carbonyl. Benzoxycarbonyl. COD 1,5 cyclooctadiene. COT 1357 cyclooctatetraene. CP cyclopentadienyl. MCPBA metachloroperoxybenzoic acid. CY cyclohexyl. DABCO 1,4-diazobiacyl octanane. DNSYL 5-dimethyl amino naphthalene 1-sulfone YL chloride. DBN 1,5-diazobicyclo non-5-ene. DBU 1,8-diazobicyclo undec 5,7-ene. DCC N-dicyclohexyl carbonamide. CGPM Conference General des Periodic Measures. NMI National Metrology Institute. NPL National Physical Laboratory. AMU Atomic Mass Unit. Thank you.